I got really tired of not having a garage. So do you know what I did about it? I got on rcgarages.com and I bought myself a garage. Check it out. So honestly, guys, this was literally one of the easiest things I think you're ever going to put together. The floor actually came in two sections, but you can barely see the parting line there. And once it's down, you just tape it together. So I am super happy with it. I like how from the light up here, these actually look lit up. That's so freaking sick. This one's actually a 72 by 30 by 18. So it's, 5 feet long, whatever. And coincidentally fits right under my light, right under my shelves and everything. I am going to do something here somewhere. But you've got, this is an RC 4-drive square body that's stretched out to a short bed. This is my crew cab. It's not even touching the wall yet. There we go. So you can kind of see how much room you'd have. This truck's like freaking 25 inches long or something. There's a decent sized buggy that, fits in there with plenty of room to spare. And the pineapple. So another crew cab truggy that at the back, touching the doors, has, 8 or 9 inches up here. And then if you want, I could keep, or if I want, I guess, I could keep stashing trucks over here. I could probably shove everything a little closer and get at least 2 more trucks in. Or this area here, and then technically, or that one over there is designed for like scale garage stuff. So I could put like a little workshop over here, my welder, and all the other things that I have that are been in a box. One of the cool things he did put my logo, and then he put the next logo on the door. So that was super cool of him. And I love this thing. For the ease, they are just killer. No building, and I think it looks great. And this is actually printed on, by the way. That's not a decal. That's printed onto the corrugated cardboard. So it's kind of like plastic. There we go. Kind of like plastic cardboard. It's actually pretty strong, and with a little bit of restructuring, you know, making like a roof or something, I think the sides will be great, and it looks really awesome. So I could not be happier. So basically, super easy. Came in 5 pieces in a big, huge box. I could not get that on camera because I literally could not fit the box in this area and you be able to see anything. So got it put together real quick. It literally just takes a couple little strips of tape, holds it everything, you know, nice and flush, and everything is really sturdy. That was one of the worries I had, but as long as you tape it well, and one of the tricks I found was actually on the seam, if you tape it this way and like around the seam, and then hold everything together, and then you can tape the seam along it. And I think that really helped some of the stability. Maybe I'm just imagining things, I don't know. If you would like to get one of these yourself, rcgarages.com, they have plenty of stuff to check out. You don't have to get one this big, they can get smaller. They've got one that I'm probably going to pick up here in a couple months for shows and stuff that fits right on a 6x4 table. So that is super cool. That way my trucks aren't just like sitting out randomly in the middle of nowhere. Go check them out. Hit up Bobby if you need anything, and he will get you taken care of. That is all for this video. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to check me out on Facebook groups, Facebook page, and Instagram, Bullman Built RC, across the board. Join me on Monday night live, Mondays on YouTube at 7 o'clock Eastern time. I will be either with Doug or Jordan or both. You never know who you're going to get. See you later. Bye.